I'm not going to waste time in unnecessary words, sessions, mincing around, beating around the bush, nothing. I'm very straight. I am an incarnation. Be very clear. I am here to introduce the mysteries of life to you. Usually, I take a very corporate front, talking about the principles, life solutions, and if you practice all these, you will be happy in your life, blissful, not worrying. You will have peace. This is the front I always take. Now I tell you, I can straight away put all these great truths into your bio-memory. I just need one single yes from you. That's all. I have packed the program such a way, the whole thing, what they learned in the earlier inner awakenings, the whole thing you will finish it in first 11 days. The last 10 days is all about the Advaitic experience. The space of positivity, possibility, leadership and enlightenment. It is like reducing your weight happens in the inner awakening program, but inner awakening is not weight reduction program. Learning the life solutions happens in the inner awakening, but inner awakening itself is not just the program of life solution. I want you to go back as gurus. And I'll make it happen. I will make it happen. In the whole program, only these translators are going to struggle. Other than that, nobody is going to have any problem. Because the flow of my language, the way I am going to describe, the way I am going to do the work, this whole 21 days, 24 hours is going to be Kala Bhairava Darshan. Understand? Kala Bhairava is going to be active. I can see morning itself he has landed in the body so strongly, so powerfully. The whole inner awakening is going to be Kala Bhairava Darshan. My only request, as I said, a deep yes from the whole being. Not just from the mouth, from the whole. See, I'm not just asking from the mouth. It is the being. That's all. Nothing else is required. You are not sitting in front of a corporate yoga meditation teacher. You are not sitting in front of a backpack guru. You are not sitting in front of a trekking backpack guru. You are not sitting in front of a some speaker, inspirational speaker, motivational speaker, or some teacher or pandit. You are citizen. Please understand, with integrity and authenticity and responsibility I am declaring, you are sitting in front of a person who can just change and build your body and mind, who can build your consciousness. I want a deep, the being level, yes to the listening. Understand? To listening. How many of you are ready to give that yes? Once you are ready to give the yes, it's now my work. It's now my work. It is from this yes, the whole program starts. First thing, you need to understand, the deeper the yes is from you, more deeper I can work on you. More deeper I can transform you. Yeah, deep yes to listening to me throughout these 21 days. From now till the last minute of the program, I wanted a deep yes to listening. Listen, listen. Later on in the sessions, or in the evening or tomorrow break, I'll tell them to give you the demonstration of the slides, means the medical test reports, various benefits, studies, medical researches, observations we have done on the inner awakening. How the mitochondria cell energy, means equivalent word for your kundalini. The English medical term for your kundalini energy. The immediate effect of kundalini awakening will be mitochondria cell energy going up. So, how your mitochondria cell energy goes up 1000%. How multiple layers of your DNA level raises. Multiple layers of your DNA is awakened. All these they will present it to you, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow sometime. When we have time, I will tell them to present it to you. The purpose of that presentation is not to brag about the program, just to tell you, please listen. Don't repent after 10 days, oh God, I should have been more listening. I should have been more sincere, more intense. I did not know this program is this powerful. Already 10 days is over. Usually that is what participants do. After 10 days, oh God, now only I understand the program, such a powerful program. 10 days I was so casual. I wasted my time. I should have taken him little more seriously. I thought, okay, young man, he's talking something. Sometimes participants come back to next inner awakening because they feel only in the end of the program we understood the intensity of the program. We have not been that sincere to the whole program. But I don't want you guys to do that. I want you guys to imbibe now, from now. Every word I am uttering, please listen. Don't miss it. Listen. 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 It is for you. Even when it is translated, understand it is for you. Fortunately, we have everyone who is translating is initiated into these tattvas. So, they all know the right word, right way of translating. So, listen. My only request from you is listen, nothing else. If there is one and only thing inside of which the life happens, consciousness happens, that is listening. Understand? When you listen, I can transmit this whole experience to you, not just words, the whole experience to you. Program Inner Awakening starts for you when you start listening. When you start listening. How many of you are coming back to the second time Inner Awakening? Raise your hand. No, third time, fourth time, more than once, raise your hand. Then you know. But it's okay, because the real Inner Awakening program started only from the cruise. Earlier it was more like a preparation message. My mission started only after this cruise, I think. Till then I was only preparing people to listen to these four tattvas. You need to know, I am not saying, when I say listen, I am not saying hearing that every one of you are doing. Hearing is not listening. I am referring to listening as a happening inside you, as a space, as a state. If you are having any incompletion with anything. I have seen in many temples, people who are so attached to their chapel, even while they are inside the temple, they will be thinking, I left my chapel in this outside, I left my chapel outside. In Hindu temples, they don't allow the chapel. Oh, I left my shoes outside. Will it be there or will it be stolen? So inside, what is he doing? When you have the incompletion, even about chapel, you will miss God. Any incompletion will make you miss listening. So no incompletions. By today, prepare yourself to be in the space of completion, completely disappear into listening. No incompletions. Don't leave any incompletions. Even in small things, you are not going to listen for first 5 minutes. Because first 5 minutes you need, the dog was running behind me. I don't know what to do. I saved myself. You are busy with something else. And same way, by next session, I request all of you to shift to the uniform, white and white. They would have informed you. We request every participant to be in white and white. Various reasons. For various reasons, millions of reasons. First, it creates a group energy. And the color itself holds the energy in your system. These are the best two colors. What is the other one color? Saffron for teaching, white for listening. Best colors. Hope every one of you are here to only to listen. Am I right? So, white is best for listening. Please move to white by next session. So that it will bring so much of completion in you with the whole group. You will be in integrity with the whole group. Any shade of white is okay. White. So that you are completely in integrity with the whole group. By listening, you can avoid tons and tons of problems in your life. Not that you will solve the problem after it happens. You will not even allow it to happen. A man tells his wife, if people start listening, they can truly avoid divorce. Is it not? Wife says, why divorce? If people start listening, they can even avoid marriage itself. So not that you will avoid after the problem happens, you can avoid before even problem starts.